Hello everyone, I am Neha Kazi from Leelavati Laljidyal High School and College of Commerce. In our English grammar lesson today, we are going to talk about active and passive voice. So let us begin. Let's first talk about what active voice is. So when the subject of the sentence is doing something, the verb is active. Here, the example is the man wore a grey hat. So our subject is the man. Verb is wore and object is hat. So it says when the subject of the sentence is doing something. The verb is active. So here we are directly saying that the subject is doing something. Correct? So the man who is a subject, he wore a grey hat. Correct? So this is our active voice where we show that the subject of the sentence is doing something, which means the verb is active. That is about our active voice. Now let us see what passive voice is. So when the subject of the sentence is having something done to it, the verb is passive. So see here the same sentence we are writing in this manner. The grey hat was worn by the man. So here we are actually talking about the object first, correct? The grey hat was worn by the man. So here when the object of the sentence is having something done to it, this is the object, right? The grey hat is the object, right? Here our verb is passive because we have started with the grey hat was worn by the man. Here we are not talking about what our subject is doing, correct? We are focusing more on the object here. That is our passive voice. Now let us see the conversion from active to passive voice. So the rules for changing active to passive voice are identify the subject, the verb and the object. So the first thing is we have to find out SVO, that is subject, verb, object. I see a dark cloud. Okay, so I is your subject, see is your verb and dark cloud. Cloud is our object. So change the object into the subject. So we will move the object to the subject position and the subject to the object position. So see here, change your object into subject. So a dark cloud. Now put the suitable helping verb or auxiliary verb. So a dark cloud is. See, then the next step, change the verb into past participle of the verb. So see becomes seen. A dark cloud is seen. Now here this is important students by. Whenever we are converting active to passive, mostly we have the word by, correct? So a dark cloud is seen by me. Why? Because we have to change the subject into object by changing pronouns simultaneously. So a dark cloud is seen by me. See your active sentences. I see a dark cloud. Passive sentences. A dark cloud is seen by me. We have started from our object. We got a subject in the object position. We have added a helping verb. We have used the word seen. See here, we have used past participle and then we have added the preposition by. And that is how we have to convert active to passive. So see here, now this is about the pronouns. I become me, we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them, it, you. So these two will not change. All right, now let us see when we have tenses. Okay, now obviously we have verb, which means there'll be a tense. So according to the tense, how do we have to convert our sentence? All right, so let us talk about simple present tense. So we have subject plus verb plus object, correct? So here we will write, I write a letter. And if we have to change this to passive voice, then we will again use the same rules. A letter is written by me. So write became written, correct? Past participle. Is, am, are. Depending on the subject, we will use our helping verb. So a letter is written by me. We started with the object, then is, am, are. Then we have the past participle, then the word by, and then our subject. So that is about simple present tense. Let's see present continuous tense now. So here we have subject plus is, am, are plus verb in the ing plus the object, which means I am writing a letter. So this will get converted to a letter is being written by me. A letter is being written by me. See how we have changed it here. Look at the structure of the sentence. You have to remember the structure, students, so you can easily solve your or convert your active to passive or passive to active. Then we have past continuous. So here what is changing is our helping verbs, correct? So subject plus was verb plus verb in the ing plus the object. So our sentence is, I was writing a letter. It gets converted to a letter was being written by me. Was being written. All right, you have to keep this in mind. By is what you already know in passive voice we are using by. Okay. Let us see the next one now. All right. Next we have present perfect tense. So here we have the structure subject plus has or have plus the participle which is there and then the object. So I have written a letter gets converted to a letter has been written by me. See here, has been. Okay, you have to remember the structure, students. Then past perfect tense, here the structure that we have is subject plus had plus participle plus the object. So I had written a letter gets converted to a letter had been written by me. See here the object, the word had, been, participle, by, and then the subject. So the structure is what you have to keep in mind. Then finally, in the end, we have simple future tense. So here we have subject plus shall or will plus verb plus the object. I will write a letter. This will get converted to a letter will be written by me. So here again we replace or we bring out the object first. Then we have shall or will plus the word be. Then we have our participle, the word by, and then our subject. So that's all, students. In active and passive voice, you remember the structure and you can easily convert your sentences. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you so much.